If you've been charged with a crime in Lenawee County, your case will be heard at the 2A District Court. There are two distinct prosecutors that are most common for this particular court. The Lenawee County Prosecutor's Office and the Adrian Prosecutor. Now, if you're charged with a misdemeanor, your case will be at the District Court. If it's a felony, it'll be at the Lenawee Circuit Court. Now, common offenses that I handle in Lenawee County, particularly a lot of drunk driving cases, a lot of careless driving, reckless driving, some shoplifting cases, possession of marijuana, and some retail fraud cases. The one common thing that my clients always do in these cases is follow a proactive program from day one. What I mean by this is from day one, the judge, the prosecutor, and the police department are judging you on this one moment in time. All they know about you is the offense that you committed. They have a police report, they may have videos, they may have audio, they may have statements, they may have confessions by you. All of it leads to the conclusion that you're a criminal. I don't think this is a fair conclusion to be drawn from one moment in time. It's not fair to be judged on your worst moment. So what my clients do from day one is we're proactive. We change the story of the case from day one. We look to impress the judge, the prosecutor, and the police department by showing them who you've been in the past, where you're going in the future, but most importantly, what you're doing in the present moment. Depending upon what you're charged with, what we're going to do is we're going to counteract the negative tones from this particular charge. If this is a marijuana case, if this is an alcohol case, what we're going to do is undergo a substance abuse assessment and screening to see where you are in terms of if you have a substance abuse issue. I am not in a position, and neither are you, to tell a judge or a prosecutor that you don't have an underlying issue that may cause this to happen again. So what we do is we get a medical professional involved from day one. If this is a retail fraud case, what we do is we do the same thing, a screening and assessment to see exactly why this happened. Depending upon what the results of these assessments are, we're going to be proactive in terms of our education and our treatment. What we're also going to do is we're going to begin community service work immediately, doing positive things in the community to counteract this negative charge. What we're trying to do is show them who you really are, not only in terms of words, but also actions. The prosecutor and the judge need to know what your career is, what your family responsibilities are, but also who you are in that community and how motivated you are to change what happened here. Now, clients of mine, our goal is always to try to get a case dismissed or reduced. Also to avoid any jail time. If a driver's license is involved, what we're trying to do is to save that driver's license. What my clients are trying to accomplish in their case is to learn everything about that case, explore their options, and depending upon what their goals are, we're going to talk about the pros and cons of different options and make a decision together. My clients work hard. I'm very selective in the clients that I take on for these type of cases. I'm looking for clients who are extremely motivated to go forward in a positive direction. If you're charged with a crime in Lenawee County, I encourage you to contact me. Let's talk about your case. Let's talk about where you are in terms of your present and where you're going in the future. I want to help you get beyond this moment in time. I don't want you to be judged by your worst moment in time. Move forward in a positive direction. I look forward to helping you with your case.